Jax, wake up.
If I was your boyfriend, I'd never let you go. I could take you places you ain't never been before. Baby, take a chance so you'll never ever know.
Want to see the rest? Watch MTV First Justin Bieber live tonight on MTV and MTV.com.
How about we eat fondue? I don't know about me.
Can your body wash nourish this deeply? The moisturizer in other body washes sits on top of skin. Only Dove has Nutrient Moisture, which can nourish deep down. Dove Body Wash with Nutrient Moisture. Superior natural nourishment for your skin.
Are you falling asleep? Are you falling asleep?
It's okay.
Yeah, it's
okay. You can go see.
So I stress out, then I break out. Then I stress out even more.
Neutrogena Acne Stress Control Power Gel Cleanser is so effective. It's clinically shown to help stop emerging acne in just 1 day. Microclear technology powers maximum strength acne medicine to the source of breakouts. Help stop acne before it starts.
So breakouts?
Acne Stress Control.
I'm gonna hold this until he falls asleep.
Recommended most by dermatologists.
I wish I could turn the flash off, but I have to stop the video and turn the flash off.
Takes me outdoors.
fresh. Breathe happy for 30 days, guaranteed. We put a week's worth of bad odors in a home. Some aerosols may just mix with them. Can Febreze remove it?
Describe the smell.
It's very pleasant.
Some kind of flower, maybe? Oh, yuck.
Febreze air
Oh yeah, we were sitting in his room on the floor. He ran up to me and then sat in between my legs and just fell asleep last night.